Ground Sunwing 254, ready to start.
Sunwing 254, winds of ground. Roger, start at your discretion.
Start at your discretion, Sunwing 254. 54, ready to taxi.
Sunwing 254, winds of ground. Roger, runway 25, wind 240 at 15, gust 20, altimeter 3027. Taxi via Golf Foxtrot, cross runway 30. Hotel, contact tower holding short runway 25.
So cross 30 and then hotel short 25, Sunwing 254.
Sunwing 254, Windsor Tower, line up runway 25. Runway 254, Windsor Tower, departure left turn heading 160, maintain 3000.
Okay, 160, maintain 3000, Sunwing 254.
Runway 254 Tower, contact Detroit 134.3 in the left turn airborne, wind 240 at 16, clear takeoff runway 25.
We'll take off 25 and departure on the left turn, Sunwing 254. Have a good day.
You too then.